Cocktails are known for their playful and curious nature. They love to explore their surroundings, investigate new objects, and interact with their human companions in silly and unexpected ways. Cocktails are natural mimics and can learn to imitate human speech and sounds. It's always amusing to hear a cocktail whistle, sing, or even mimic the sound of a phone ringing or a doorbell. Cocktails are notorious for their love of mischief. They are notorious for sneaking up behind people, stealing small objects, and playing pranks. They may also try to copy their humans' behaviors, such as pretending to talk on the phone or tapping on a keyboard.
Pipsy, what are you doing?
Cocktails have a quirky habit of dancing when they are happy or excited. They may bob their heads, puff up their feathers, and sway from side to side, which looks like a little avian dance party. Cocktails are notorious for their fascination with shiny objects. They may spend hours playing with reflective toys, mirrors, or even their own reflection in a mirror. Watching a cocktail interact with its Reflection can be both hilarious and entertaining. Cocktails have a unique way of showing affection. They may nibble on their owner's earlobes, preen their hair, or give gentle nips to express their love. Some cocktails even enjoy snuggling and cuddling with their humans, which can be incredibly endearing and amusing. Cocktails love music and they sometimes dance with it.
もうちょっと下がった方がいいよ。そうそう。
Duh.
Peekaboo.
Yeah, it's fucking good. Those best cards in the set. Amazing. You might want to also run Torbran, Bane of Redfell. I have that. Because whenever a red source deals damage, it deals that.
Hello?
Finally, having a cocktail is such a blessing. They are cute and they can be a good companion.
This one? Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Spin. Say peekaboo. You want seeds? You want seeds?